Hi everyone, this is Luke. Today I will show you how you can permanently delete X or sometimes Twitter. It's nothing complicated. You just need to open the X app. Click on your profile picture in the top left corner. Now go to Settings and Privacy. All the settings will appear. As you can see, you have all the settings here. Now click on your account. Here we have the option to deactivate your account. Click on that. You should read this whole text before you deactivate, and then click deactivate. Now on X it works like this. When you deactivate, if you log in within 30 days, your profile will become active again. That means that in order to permanently delete your profile, you must stay logged out for at least 30 days. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe. See you in next video.